All right, so let's just continue here. So available for pre-order, pre-order, available for pre-order, available for pre-order. All right, just so a trick you can use if you have a book or something that you're gonna be like doing like this. Once the pages are the same or similar, you can always just do a copy. You can delete this once, you don't have to do that again, and there's just paste, and it will show up in the same space, same place. All right, so once it's a copy and you know exactly where you want the thing to be, you can always just do it once and then just kind of copy and paste it where you want that to be. So for the third one though, this one isn't done as yet, so I'm gonna put a second here. I'm gonna put coming soon. Yeah, so this is one of the things you can do with Canva. You can actually make a website for your anything you want to do. So if it's a post or anything, you can actually make a free website, a free, let's not call it a website, more a web page, but it you're able to like host it on Canva for free and everything, and you can actually have it go live. So all right, so I put coming soon for this one because it's, you know, not quite done as yet. So this one is introverted selling. Still working on this one. Website. What should I do here? All right, let's remove that. What I think I'm gonna do, I may hyperlink the books themselves. So let's say somebody clicked on this, the book, if somebody like touched it, it's gonna pretty much bring them to a page that bring them to the Amazon page. So that's what I'm gonna kind of do, so make it a bit easier. So to show you how to do that, what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go to the Amazon page where you have the book. So this is my Amazon page where the book is. All right, so you just copy that, copy the link, and what you're gonna do from there, you just click on the image of the thing, backspace, or sorry, back click on that, then you're gonna go to link. All right, and then what you're gonna do is just enter the link you have and then press done. All right, so that's gonna bring you to the page. So you're gonna see the method to my this in a couple seconds here. So that one's done. You can do the same for like the others and everything, but to just kind of show you how this would work. So what I'm gonna do is actually just I'm just gonna send it live. All right, republish website. So we're literally gonna have a website be made from this, from the images here. So I already have it be made. I already have it made, but it's only the one that I had. So what I'm gonna do, so it said that it's republished, so I'm gonna click on this here, and it's gonna bring up all three in a website. So so hold on. Yep, so it's a website like this. You can also make it scroll long, scroll down also. Give me a second here, so I can remember how to do that. How do I do that again? All right, give me a second if I can figure it out. There's a way to do it to have it be scrolling downwards. All right, I'll figure that out and make a video on that after also. So the thing that I did with the link though, yeah, so I'm gonna actually just click on this here, and it's gonna bring me to the Amazon web page. So yeah, so it brings you to the Amazon web page, and that makes it a bit easier. So somebody can just you know, you can have your thing announced, and somebody can go ahead and, you know, find it that way. So another thing you can also do too, you can also add a QR code if you wanted to. Give me a second if I can find the QR code. You go down to apps, and just type in, or so I think I have it installed already, but let's say you don't have it installed, you just type in QR code. So there's a lot of different versions now, but QR code. All right, let's see what comes up. The one that I like to use, I'm not even seeing it in the top 10. Oh yeah, here it is. All right, dynamic QR code. So what you can do with this too, if you don't want to do the, or maybe you can do both. You can always hyperlink the image itself that you want. So let's say somebody clicks on that, they can be taken to the page, or you can also have a QR code. So you get to decide how you want the QR code to look. Let's say you have the color scheme already on the book and everything. You can always just use that same color scheme here. So you can choose a color. Just kind of try to kind of match it a bit. Yeah, all right, and you just put in the same link. You can also choose a logo. So if you have a logo you want to use, I don't have a logo right now, but all right, let's say we had a logo we wanted to use. Let's say we wanted to put the same book. So you wanted to put the same book. Yeah, so see it right there in the middle of it. So yeah, you can do something like this too. So when you just add to design here, it's gonna pretty much come up, and somebody can either click on that now. They can click on this, so you can put it somewhere that kind of fits a bit better. But so what you can do, just kind of have it maybe up there. You can adjust everything else to kind of make it look presentable still. But yeah, it does help a bit. So you can have the QR code here, maybe put a little arrow that says click here or something like that. And yeah, so you'll have this has been hyperlinked, the image of the book that you're working on or whatever you want it to be, and you can also have the QR code. You can also hyperlink the text if you want to also. So let's say you had multiple different things you wanted to link to, like a link tree type thing. You can also create your own link tree in Canva and have that linked to different stuff you're working on. That can be another video, but yeah, so so I have these two books now that are going to be on Amazon. So what I'm going to also do, since it's Amazon, they're going to be on, I'm going to put if I can find, I think I have a logo from Amazon. Give me a second here. If I can find it, I think I have a logo from Amazon that I uploaded a while back. There may have been KDP. I could use this one, but alright, what you can also do, look like they may have made it. All right, let me see if I can find it. There's a brand option available in the Canva thing too. So you just type on brand. There's a longer way to do this. You can also just go to Google, type it in, and type in like the logo you want, and then download the PNG version of that, and from there you can just bring that into Canva. What you can do is use brand fetch logo. So what this does, all you have to do is just type in the name of the brand you want to have added. So you just go ahead, type in my case it's Amazon. So it may or may not come up. So once you have the one you want, you just click on that, and it's going to give you the versions that it has available. So if it's since this is a Kindle version of a book that's available, I can use this one, I can use that. So, and what you can do with this too, you can also hyperlink this. So so somebody can click on the Amazon link and that brings them to the official web page also. So yeah, it makes it a bit easier. So for you, so instead of you having to like search for the logo, even that takes typically like 15 seconds. But let's say your logo isn't available. There's this. So once you found it on Google, you can also you can go to, let's say you find a version of the logo that's not not it's not without the background. What you're gonna do from there, and you don't have the background remover in Canva because you're using the free version. What you're gonna do, there's this thing called BG remover, background remover. It's one of the best background removers that I've ever seen. Hold on, let me see if I can pull it up for you here. Give me a second. All right, so it's remove BG. It's remove BG. Okay, so just go to remove BG, bring the file in that you want to have or image you want to have, you know, the background removed from. It does it really well too, because it actually gives you like a little you know, like sometimes when you take off the background from an image, you don't really, you don't, it looks kind of odd because it just looks like a flat image. What I like about BG, remove BG, it actually helps because actually they give it like a little bit of a shadow type thing. I don't know if I can explain it fully. All right, so let's say this dog here. Let me say I bring this dog into that's from I think that a video that I did on stuttering, so you can go and watch that video also. But this dog here, so it may not show up as well here, but when you bring it into somewhere like Canva, it actually, car passing, it actually does look really nice. So yeah, but I'm done rambling now. I've probably, you know, taken up enough of your time. I'm just gonna bring in the Amazon A logo here. So yeah, and see it that successfully brought it in. All right, so can maybe just put that somewhere. I know it doesn't really look that good now, but let's put it somewhere, and then once you know, like where it is, then you can pretty much be done with that. But yeah, so you can go ahead and get these 3 books if you want to support the channel. It does help out a bit. These are sales books specifically, so the 2 that are available are these 2 here. Yeah, that's the video. Have a good rest of the day. Bye bye.